The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is one of the most versatile full-frame mirrorless cameras Canon has ever produced. Designed as the successor to the highly successful EOS R6, the R6 Mark II improves upon nearly every aspect of the original camera, while maintaining the speed, reliability, and user-friendly operation that made the R6 so popular among photographers and videographers. Whether used for sports, wildlife, weddings, portraits, travel, or professional video production, the camera delivers a well-rounded combination of performance and image quality that appeals to both enthusiasts and professionals. At the heart of the Canon R6 Mark II is a newly developed 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. While some photographers may initially focus on higher megapixel cameras, the resolution chosen for the R6 Mark II represents a practical balance between image quality, low light performance, processing speed, and file size. The sensor provides enough resolution for large prints, commercial work, and moderate cropping, while maintaining excellent performance in challenging lighting conditions. Image quality from the R6 Mark II is outstanding. Photos display excellent detail, pleasing colors, strong contrast, and impressive tonal transitions. Canon's color science continues to be one of the camera's greatest strengths. Skin tones appear natural and attractive, straight out of the camera. Portrait photographers often appreciate the minimal editing required to achieve professional-looking results. Landscape photographers benefit from excellent dynamic range that allows recovery of highlight and shadow detail during post-processing. The camera performs exceptionally well at high ISO settings. Noise remains well controlled throughout much of the ISO range. Photographers working in low-light environments such as weddings, indoor sports, concerts, and events can confidently raise ISO settings while maintaining strong image quality. The combination of a full-frame sensor and Canon's advanced image processing produces clean files even under demanding conditions. One of the biggest improvements in the R6 Mark II is its autofocus system. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 technology delivers some of the most advanced autofocus performance available in any mirrorless camera. The autofocus system covers nearly the entire frame, allowing subjects to be tracked almost anywhere within the composition. This extensive coverage gives photographers tremendous flexibility when framing subjects. Subject detection and tracking capabilities are particularly impressive. The camera can recognize and track people, animals, birds, cars, motorcycles, trains, and aircraft. Canon's intelligent subject recognition system continuously analyzes the scene and adjusts focus accordingly. Human eye detection is exceptionally reliable. The camera can maintain focus on a subject's eye even when they move rapidly or temporarily turn away from the camera. For portrait photographers, this significantly increases the number of perfectly focused images. Animal and bird autofocus performance is equally impressive. Wildlife photographers benefit from fast and accurate eye detection on a wide variety of animals. Bird Eye AF performs particularly well when photographing birds in flight. The camera can lock onto a bird's eye and continue tracking as it moves across the frame. This capability dramatically increases success rates when photographing challenging wildlife subjects. Sports and action photography are major strengths of the R6 Mark II. The camera offers mechanical burst shooting up to 12 frames per second. Using the electronic shutter, burst rates increase to an impressive 40 frames per second. These speeds make the camera highly effective for capturing fast-moving subjects. Athletes, race cars, wildlife, and other unpredictable subjects can be photographed with remarkable precision. But deep buffer further enhances action shooting performance. Photographers can maintain long burst sequences without the camera slowing significantly. This is particularly valuable during sporting events and wildlife encounters where critical moments may occur unexpectedly. The electronic shutter performance is excellent. Canon has significantly reduced rolling shutter effects compared to earlier mirrorless generations. While some rolling shutter distortion can still occur under extreme conditions, real-world performance is highly competitive for a non-stacked sensor camera. The Canon R6 Mark II includes one of the most effective in-body image stabilization systems available. The camera provides up to 8 stops of stabilization when paired with compatible RF lenses. This allows photographers to shoot handheld at shutter speeds that would normally require a tripod. Low-light photography becomes easier. Videographers benefit from smoother handheld footage. Travel photographers appreciate the ability to leave bulky support equipment at home. The electronic viewfinder provides a bright, detailed shooting experience. The 3.69 million dot OLED viewfinder delivers excellent clarity and responsiveness. Photographers can accurately evaluate exposure, focus, and composition before capturing an image. The high refresh rate contributes to a natural viewing experience, particularly when tracking fast-moving subjects. The rear LCD screen features a fully articulating vari-angle design. This flexibility allows comfortable shooting from high angles, low angles, and front-facing positions. Content creators and vloggers benefit from the ability to monitor themselves while recording. Photographers working in challenging positions appreciate the additional framing options. Video capabilities are among the strongest features of the R6 Mark II. The camera records oversampled 4K video using the full width of the sensor. The resulting footage is exceptionally detailed and sharp. The camera can record 4K video at up to 60 frames per second without significant compromises. For slow-motion recording, Full HD can be captured at up to 180 frames per second. The R6 Mark II supports 10-bit internal recording. This provides greater flexibility for color grading and professional post-production workflows. Canon Log3 support enables filmmakers to maximize dynamic range and capture footage suitable for advanced editing. Professional videographers can integrate the camera into larger production environments with confidence. Peak management represents a significant improvement over previous Canon mirrorless generations. Extended recording sessions are more practical due to improved thermal performance. Content creators, event videographers, and documentary filmmakers benefit from increased reliability during long recording sessions. Build quality is excellent throughout. The magnesium alloy construction provides durability while maintaining a manageable weight. Weather sealing helps protect the camera against dust, moisture, and challenging outdoor conditions. Photographers working in unpredictable environments can use the camera with confidence. Ergonomics remain a major strength of Canon's camera design philosophy. The grip is deep and comfortable. Button placement feels intuitive. The camera is easy to operate for extended periods without causing fatigue. Many photographers transitioning from DSLR systems find the controls familiar and easy to learn. Battery life is strong for a modern mirrorless camera. The LPE6NH battery provides substantial shooting endurance. Photographers can comfortably complete many assignments on a single battery, though carrying spares remains advisable for intensive shooting days. The dual UHS-2 SD card slots provide valuable redundancy and workflow flexibility. Professional photographers often use one card as an instant backup. Others separate photo and video files across the two cards. The dual-slot design adds confidence during important assignments such as weddings and commercial projects. One limitation some photographers may notice is the 24.2 megapixel resolution. While sufficient for most applications, photographers who frequently make extreme crops or produce very large commercial prints may prefer higher resolution alternatives such as the Canon EOS R5 or Sony A7R series. However, many professionals find the balance of speed, file size, and image quality ideal for everyday use. Another consideration is the RF lens ecosystem. Canon's RF lenses are generally outstanding in optical quality. Many RF lenses represent some of the sharpest and most advanced lenses Canon has ever produced. However, premium RF lenses can be expensive compared to some competing systems. Fortunately, Canon continues expanding the RF lineup with more affordable options. Overall, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is one of the most balanced and capable full-frame mirrorless cameras currently available. Its combination of excellent image quality, industry-leading autofocus, fast burst shooting, advanced subject tracking, effective image stabilization, strong video features, and comfortable ergonomics make it suitable for nearly any photographic discipline. Whether photographing sports, wildlife, weddings, portraits, travel, events, or professional video projects, the R6 Mark II consistently delivers reliable performance and exceptional results. For photographers seeking a camera that excels across multiple genres without significant compromises, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II stands as one of the strongest all-around full-frame mirrorless cameras on the market.